allow alarm and notification sound during calls on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable allow alarm and notification sound in calls option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap call alert and ringtone. Under call alert section, tap the gray on off switch next to allow alarm or notification sound in calls until the switch turns green to turn it on. When this feature is on, alarms and notification sound will play at a lower volume while you are on a call. Given to the function, enabling this feature ensures you don't miss important alerts. This is especially useful for those who rely on reminders or need to stay updated with urgent messages while talking on the phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.